Belgium has officially entered a new chapter in its defense capabilities with the maiden flight of the first MQ-9B SkyGuardian unmanned aerial vehicle over its national territory on September 23, 2025. This milestone flight, taking place just weeks after the aircraft's arrival at Florennes Air Base in August, reflects not only the technological advancement of the Belgian air and space component but also the nation's commitment to modernizing its intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance (ISR) capabilities. The MQ-9B, manufactured by General Atomics Aeronautical Systems Incorporated, GASI, represents one of the most advanced UAV platforms currently in service, combining extended endurance, advanced sensor integration, and a unique ability to operate safely in both military and civilian airspaces. The introduction of the SkyGuardian into Belgium's fleet follows a rigorous series of preparations and testing that began months before the aircraft's arrival in Europe. In February 2025, the drone completed its first-ever flight at GASI's test facilities in Southern California, a critical milestone that validated the aircraft's performance and operational readiness. Subsequently, in July, it underwent a full acceptance testing program, ensuring that all systems met both Belgian requirements and international standards for UAV operations. This comprehensive process highlights Belgium's commitment to acquiring not just cutting-edge technology, but technology that is proven, reliable, and safe under operational conditions. Equally significant was the extensive training provided to Belgian personnel. 18 members of the Air and Space Component participated in initial flight instruction at GASI's Flight Test and Training Center in Grand Forks, North Dakota, and continued with live flight exercises at the Desert Horizon Flight Operations Facility in El Mirage, California. This combination of classroom instruction, simulator training, and real-world flight experience ensured that Belgian crews were fully prepared to operate the sophisticated MQ-9B systems, from routine patrols to complex ISR missions. The emphasis on operator training underscores the fact that modern UAVs are not just technological platforms but extensions of human expertise, requiring highly trained personnel to fully leverage their capabilities. Belgium's acquisition of the SkyGuardian also places it among a select group of countries worldwide that have embraced the MQ-9B for operational deployment. In Europe, only the United Kingdom's Royal Air Force has integrated the MQ-9B, known locally as the Protector, into active service. The Belgian air and space component thus becomes the second European operator, demonstrating the increasing recognition of UAVs as essential tools for modern military operations. The MQ-9B's versatility, particularly its ability to fly safely in civilian-controlled airspace, provides Belgium with operational flexibility that extends beyond traditional military applications, including border monitoring, environmental observation, and disaster response. One of the most notable achievements of the MQ-9B program is its certification for safe operation over populated areas, granted through the Military Type Certificate, MTC, issued by the UK's Military Aviation Authority in April 2025. This certification is unprecedented for large UAVs and represents a significant advancement in the integration of unmanned systems into national airspace frameworks. For Belgium, this capability is transformative. The country can now conduct surveillance and reconnaissance operations across the entire national territory without the geographical limitations that have traditionally constrained UAV missions. This opens the door to broader ISR coverage, faster response times, and enhanced situational awareness in both peacetime and crisis scenarios. The strategic implications of the SkyGuardian program extend beyond national borders. Belgium's acquisition strengthens NATO's ISR network by adding another highly capable UAV platform to the alliance's operational portfolio. In a region increasingly focused on hybrid threats, cyber vulnerabilities, and rapidly evolving geopolitical dynamics, the ability to gather real-time intelligence from the air is invaluable. The SkyGuardian's long endurance, high-altitude operation, and sophisticated sensor suite provide a level of coverage and precision that complements manned reconnaissance assets and satellite intelligence, creating a layered and resilient ISR capability. Internationally, the MQ-9B has attracted attention from several countries seeking to modernize their aerial surveillance fleets. Beyond Belgium and the United Kingdom, nations such as Canada, Denmark, India, Japan, Poland, and Taiwan have incorporated or selected the platform for future procurement. This global adoption signals a broader trend in military aviation. Unmanned systems are no longer auxiliary tools but central elements of national defense strategies. The SkyGuardian's popularity is driven not only by its technical performance but also by its operational flexibility, which allows integration into both conventional and asymmetric missions. For Belgium, the presence of a platform that is already proven in multiple operational contexts provides confidence that the investment will deliver tangible operational advantages. From a technological standpoint, the MQ-9B SkyGuardian offers several features that make it particularly suitable for Belgium's defense needs. Its endurance allows for missions lasting over 24 hours, and its modular payload system supports a wide range of sensors, including electro-optical, infrared, and synthetic aperture radar. This capability enables continuous monitoring of borders, critical infrastructure, and areas of strategic interest without requiring frequent landings or complex logistical support. Moreover, the SkyGuardian is designed to integrate seamlessly with existing command and control systems, allowing Belgian operators to coordinate missions efficiently and share real-time data with allied forces. The combination of high endurance, sensor flexibility, and operational interoperability makes the MQ-9B an ideal tool for both national defense and cooperative security missions. Belgium's decision to acquire the MQ-9B also reflects broader trends in European defense modernization. As traditional air power faces budgetary pressures and technological challenges, nations are increasingly turning to UAVs to maintain situational awareness and strategic reach. The SkyGuardian program demonstrates that unmanned systems can serve as force multipliers, enhancing the effectiveness of smaller air forces by providing persistent ISR capabilities at a fraction of the cost of manned aircraft. For Belgium, this approach balances fiscal responsibility with strategic necessity, ensuring that the country remains capable of meeting both national and allied defense obligations. The successful first flight in Belgian airspace is only the beginning of a broader operational integration plan. Future missions will likely include border surveillance, maritime patrol, disaster monitoring, and support for NATO exercises. Each operation will provide valuable data, not only about the performance of the aircraft itself but also about the optimal deployment strategies for long-endurance UAVs in complex European airspace. This iterative learning process will be critical in shaping Belgium's doctrine for unmanned operations and ensuring that the SkyGuardian becomes a fully operational and strategically valuable asset. In conclusion, the maiden flight of Belgium's first MQ-9B SkyGuardian marks a significant milestone in the nation's defense evolution. Beyond the symbolic achievement of introducing a new aircraft into service, it represents a deliberate investment in advanced ISR capabilities, personnel training, and international cooperation. The SkyGuardian's technical attributes, operational flexibility, and ability to operate safely in civilian airspace position Belgium to meet contemporary security challenges effectively. As one of the first European operators of this advanced UAV, Belgium demonstrates a forward-looking approach to defense, one that emphasizes intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance as cornerstones of modern military strategy. With the SkyGuardian now in the skies over Florennes Air Base, Belgium is not just flying a new aircraft, it is launching a new era of aerial awareness and strategic readiness.